Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. See if we can't catch some trades this week. Last week was not allowing us to get in the trades, so hopefully a little easier price action. Good morning. Welcome in, everyone. You can share it live. Let's just get it rolling right off. We've only got 11 minutes or so till market opens, so what everyone get into this weekend? Hopefully something fun. Oh. Please remind me to do the giveaway at the end of this live, okay? Remind me about the giveaway. I got some Apex codes to give away. I literally forget if y'all don't remind me. I gotta share this live real quick. Good morning. Welcome in. We're doing DGC, Roy, Medman, Tatum, AGB, Fabiola, JS, Debbie, Alexander. Welcome in, everyone. Good morning. Does anyone see anything they like off the open? I'm gonna watch the Asia low. Asia low, let's say 29,225 down to that 200 area for a possible bounce. That's my main watch, other than what we typically look for. Yeah, the way things are going, we just buy some longs and just wait. I mean, it's been working, hasn't it? I don't know what that is about. My bad. Oh, I think my daughter put that on there. Alexander's theme. I'm not even for sure. Can everyone hear me? See my screen? I don't know what happened there. How am I doing? Being a year wiser? I'm good. Sorry, making sure everything's good. Still gotta log into my broker on my laptop here. All right, everyone. We've got like 6, 7 minutes till market opens. What is what did everyone think about the Grizzology updates? By the way, good morning, everyone. Just joining. Sorry if I missed you coming in. How was my birthday? It's good. This didn't really do anything. Just laid low. Perfect type of day, right? Just peace. Well, I basically did my birthday on Saturday for the most part. Friday was a little busy, but you like the updates on Grizzology? Nice. Jadon's still on vacation. He'll be back on Thursday, I believe. For those that have Grizzology and updated, uh, you can adjust on the supply and demand zones. You now have your stop loss take profit. You can adjust it right here in the settings on Grizzology, however you want to set it. Confirmation candle or the zone, invalidates it. Just to help you all, makes it a little easier to see your actual price targets and everything on the chart. Put my phone on charge. It must not have charged overnight. I had a push day this morning at the gym, and I am currently sipping on some coffee. So that's about as far as my morning has went. What everyone get into this weekend? For those that didn't answer earlier. I've been trying. I've talked about this a few times, but I've been trying to learn how to golf. Right, like I want to start golfing, but I cannot find someone to teach me local. Put in like the forms and everything. No one replies. Clown fishing. That sounds amazing. Like the perfect week, 2 weeks. Oh, you went to it, Nate? How did it go? Yeah, I do, Mo. We have a Top Golf close to me. It's like, I don't know, 30, 40 minutes from here, something like that. So, Clown Fishing says, spent the last 2 weeks at Texas, zero internet or phone service. That sounds like a good time to me. Sign me up for that. Sign me up. Go to my local driving range. There'll be plenty of people that want to teach me. I want to find someone that's good at it, like a professional. like an old pro or something that teaches me it right. I don't want to develop bad habits. Hard to break the bad habits you develop in the beginning, learning something like day trading. I've tried the golf clubs. I don't know. I guess they'll reply when they have an opening. I don't know. Not used to coaching Grizzly Bears. That might be it. All right, everyone. The market's about to open, so good luck today. Let's hopefully we get a nice entry. Last week was just not good for entries as far as the early New York session went. I have some evals, Apex evals to give away at the end of this live. Everyone, make sure you remind me. You didn't remind me Friday. I just got right off the live. Didn't give you all any accounts. I have quite a few to give away, so we need to start on them. All right, let's do this. Good morning to everyone that I missed coming into the live. Well, straight up pump. Yeah, I appreciate the reminder. Good morning, Naya. Madman, your friends are over there. You can share the live now. Let's get it rolling. Let's get everyone woke up on this beautiful Monday morning. Let's share it. Even though it is rainy here, still beautiful Monday morning. Just a casual 100-point opening candle. Nothing big in this market, you know. Welcome in, everyone. I go live every morning. Make sure you follow, ask questions. If you have any, drop them in chat. I'll do my best to get to them. The 800.5-minute candle, Jesus. Wow, quite the push up here. This volume, jeez. I mean, do we just have like news off the open, or is this just the opening 5-minute candle? Had to be news right off the open, right? Uh, am I tripping? Has anyone else seen this candle? Good morning, everyone. Or is that just the new normal? Who knows anymore? Good morning, Ashley. Good morning, Shaza. Jackson, how you doing? Oh, it's all good, Nick. It just wants that 30,000. I mean, I feel like it's just a magnet at this point, right? It just bases it off the previous candles, Ryan. That's how it calculates it. Mm-mm. It'll straighten up after the first candle. It doesn't know what to do with all this. What a move up off the opening candle. Jesus. I mean, I don't think I've ever seen a bull run that has moved up this quickly. To be honest, I'm not sure if there is one. Do you all remember one more intense than this one? One that we've moved up so quickly? I don't remember if there was. I mean, we've had some strong ones together, since we've been day trading together, but geez, it's going to sell that move back off. You'll be telling your grandkids about this bull run. Well, that was the year I tried to short the top and catch it. I see a lot of people taking trades like right off the open with all that strength. It's going to work until it doesn't. You know, I wouldn't develop the bad habits. Even with a market like this, you don't want to develop bad habits doing stuff that this is just because it's working right now currently. Oh yeah, evals. I don't, I don't see nothing wrong with that. Just don't be doing it on your personal or your funded, Excuse me. I was hoping to try out the new updates today. We don't have no demand close. So gold's pumping, NQ's pumping. What's gold doing? Let me make sure before I say that. Oh yeah, gold is strong. So everything's just pumping, huh? What's the VIX doing? Is it pumping as well? I haven't looked. Actually, I seen that with take profit. What's it start like on Saturday? Is that what they said? I don't know. Yes, code Grizzly works with Take Profit Trader. Just make sure you use my link at grizzlytrades.com. Use the link, Take Profit link. Use code Grizzly for the discount. We're going to push down below this 15-minute range low and pick up some liquidity and climb back up. I mean, Emma, the premium's okay. Good with it, I would say. Should be fine. I use the Pro, but for Trading View. But you can link your Tradeovate to Trading View, Kane. I don't do that. I just like trading off Tradeovate separately. I mean, whenever we do get the bear market, you're gonna see just like the others. I mean, we're gonna see some stocks get 40, pull back 40, 60% sometimes. There's gonna be plenty of opportunity next bear market. Don't doubt it. We're gonna try to position ourselves to make some good money when it comes. I always turn up the reoccurring buys on the long term and look to position in some nice leap plays. That's when you make some good money, right? Make sure you hit the follow. Go live every morning, everyone. Every single morning. I didn't get to finish the ebook update over the weekend because I finished the Grizzology update and dropped it. But the ebook is almost finished, and when I drop the new one, but you can still download the current one there, still great if you want to learn about prop firms. I'm just making some changes. to updating the new Apex and the new Tradify accounts on there. Nice, me. Hopefully you made a bag off that. Good morning, Ananda. Any questions for me? We have time. There's a trend on. Oh. Yeah, Nate, my point of control is right here. The first opening candle had massive volume and created the point of control. It'll be hard to beat that today, but we'll see. We on Friday we made a new one. I think we made a couple new ones if I remember right. It's gonna take a while. How long you been doing this? It's called Grizzology. It's my indicator. If you want to try Grizzology, go to grizzlytrades.com. Use code NQ for 50% off the first month. ES is pumping. Or respectfully, Mike, I have not traded ES this week. We had one of the best looking orb setups I've ever seen on ES last week. I tried it, hit my stop. Pushed up, then it slowed back off a ton. It's like a wild movement. So everyone should be able to hear me, right? We should be good to go. Had someone say they couldn't hear me, so I was asking. Point of control. Share it live, please. Well, we got the 15-minute range in. Technically, this is trying to confirm the trend again today. This candle here, we pushed back, retested this. VWAP, we close above pre-market high. Just hate how point of control is way up here, right above us. Or best offer, bet. All right. Yeah. What were you thinking, Team Boy? I mean, what are you all looking for here? You looking for a long entry? If so, where? I'd like to get to long entry and get to move up today. If we push up to that 30,000, you'd think it would be like a magnet at this point. We're getting so close. Is there any 10 a.m. or 10:30 a.m. data? 10 a.m. data. Okay, gotcha. OB1 trades. Did you get my ebook on the evals and stuff? It's free if you want to check it out. I don't know if you've read it, but it should help you with your choice there. If you're looking to trade prop firms, don't understand them, or having a hard time picking the right account. But if you're thinking about going with Apex, I haven't updated it with their new accounts. I do have a YouTube video for them, though. For the free ebook, you go to grizzlytrades.com. You just simply download it. It's just a PDF. For the YouTube video, Medman can probably point you in the right direction there. Good morning, Sosa. Man, the Apex one, the Apex's new account and stuff. The only bounce area I have is that Asia low, everyone. If you all see something other than that, let's talk about it. See if we can agree on it. What's everyone sipping on this morning while we're waiting on a trade? I got some good hot coffee. Straight tequila. Come on. You can't be drinking tequila trading, right? Or maybe you can. I don't know. This is not for me, I guess. VWAP bounce them is possible, but I'd like a little more pullback. Alyssa, you see a bounce 280. What else did you say? VWAP. What? Some wild answers. I see what you did there, Medman. I've just seen Nicole's reply. Good song. Oh wow. Could we sell off today? Could this be the day? I doubt it. As soon as we try shorts, it rips. If I think it'll make it to Asia low, why not short it down to it? Because I don't know if it'll reach it or not. I don't try to predict which ways the market's gonna go when I'm not in a trade. I just wait on it to confirm, in my key levels to see one of my strategies confirm. That's all I look for. The only thing I do that is predicting the market is invest bullish long term, which is done nothing but paid me in the past. So yep, we got 5 minutes. We got home sales dropping. Just a heads up, okay? I mean, we do have. So you're looking at a possible bounce at the 29,300. I mean, you have the whole psych there in that previous day point of control. The only thing that worries me is we're so close to that pre-market low. I don't see why we wouldn't push on down to that. Does anyone have Bookmap pulled up? Can you see if there's anything sitting at 29,300? Any orders? All right, Mark. I will not forget today. Nothing noteworthy. Okay. So what are we seeing? Guess people have different settings because some of these look a little different. What is your name, El Ross? I guess that's what I can call you, or what would you prefer? I say if we get a nice high volume candle to the upside here, we look for a long entry. That's my thoughts. Well, there's that 300 area for those that was watching that for a bounce. I'm gonna have to wait till a little lower. I'm still gonna wait on that Asia low, maybe pre-market low area. We'll see how it looks down there. I mean, if even in this area, if we could get a nice high volume, candle to the upside, I'd look for a long entry. I'd be willing to try it. Okay, home sales dropping right now or already. What'd they come in at? Anybody has access to the data there? Forecast is 4.05. They come in at 4.02. Interesting. I don't see how people in the real estate market are making any, like the people that have the rentals and stuff, are making any money buying anything right now. You don't like all time highs? They're not my favorite either, but they're my favorite when we get into actually can get into a trade. But it's just not allowing enough pullback for the way we usually trade. If you have any questions, drop them in chat and make sure you hit the follow, everyone. We go live every morning on here. We have to get the volume in before we consider entry here. Just not enough volume to tell me we're going to continue up. How many monitors? I have 3 monitors up, and I have my laptop, so 4, I guess. Nice, Danny. Looks like you're gonna make a nice bag, man. You're up nice. No yawning, my bad. I wish I could stop. Just, just, I don't know. I think it's where I've already hit a workout and everything. Wake up at 5 before I get on here. Did I party for my birthday weekend? No, I don't party. I think your text might be coming through a little delayed, Danny. When you say you was in at 312, it was at 360. Just a heads up. But nice job, man. Angelo. Yeah, that's mine. Yeah, I hope all the mothers had a great Mother's Day, by the way. Um, Happy late Mother's Day to all the mothers. I meant to say it first thing this morning, but you're welcome. All right, thank you. We need you to give us a trade. What zone was the demand you was looking at? I mean, what was it? What time frame? Pushing up on lowering volume. I wonder if we got a little further down to go. Any questions for me, everyone? Drop them in chat. Let's talk about it. What am I looking for? I'm just still waiting on us to give us the volume confirmation or push down to the Asia low for a bounce. Either or. Multitasking, Ashley? Alexander. I mean, it's just whatever you prefer. I mean, I don't think there's a set right way to trade evals. Just try to follow the rules of the prop firms, you know. Nah, Scalzo. What'd you catch on ES? Just uh, I'm gonna wait. As far as the bounce goes down here on the HLO, if even if we touch that 29,000, I'm still gonna be looking to reclaim this like a nice close above for my entry. I'm not really, um, as of right now, I'm not really interested in entering it on the touch of it. You know what? One of my biggest problems with evals are, and I'm sure you all can relate to this. I just get tired of messing with them. Like I've passed a ton, you know, recent a big massive payouts, but like it just I don't know. I just get tired of dealing with them, and I eventually just let them set for so long when I switch back to my personal. So I agree. I think for me too, passing them in one day is the way. That's a good point, Ashley. Developing bad habits trying to pass evals. You gotta be careful for that for sure. You're only 4 months into learning. Oh yeah, I would focus on learning then for sure. 4 months in, you should should have a good foundation built by now. Yeah, it's either all or nothing, isn't it? You said you just started trading in February, past my first eval with me. Nice, past your first eval with me. I'm gonna get some payouts rolling. It's just been a tough couple weeks. I mean, we've all been here together. We know how it's been. It's gonna be all about our entries, you know. We gotta if the point risk is too high, we have to lower size. We gotta protect our capital through this market. Preserve. What is it? Try to see if we have any Fed speakers. I don't want to get caught in a trade with them. We got a new Fed chair sworn in tomorrow. I'm not for sure. All right, TikTok. I'm gonna have to restart the live. Okay. Is your birthday tomorrow, Shozo? Happy birthday! But I'm gonna restart the live. Come right back. Okay. All right. Nice, Danny. Hope you made a bag, man. Deserves it. Ouch. No trades yet, Ryan. This hasn't gave us any type of trade. I'm just cheering for the people that have taken trades in the chat. Rooting for them. What is it, Brian? Can you all reshare the live for me, please? Jaden will be back Thursday, I believe. Honestly, Jay done picked the best week to take off. Any questions? Anybody? We got time here. As you all can see, it really hasn't gave us an answer. While we're waiting, can I go over the update on Grizzology? Yeah, so basically I added in the complete stop loss take profit for the supply and demand. It already confirmed for us, but now you can adjust it to, where you want your price targets or your stop loss. Not that it does it automatically, it's just to help guide you, right? Um, what else did I do? I added in, everyone wanted EMAs and SMAs added in, so I added in where you can, use them if you would like, whichever one you want. Um, and now you can set alerts for everything a little easier than before. You just set alerts, select Grizzology, and you'll see a list of whichever, click which one you want to set. Yeah. You're welcome, Robert. I'm still gonna drop another update soon. I'm not done. I just wanted to get that one out. Grizzology for TradingView. What's your name? Efula? Efula? I probably said that horribly wrong. If I did, I apologize. But TradingView. That's right, Hobbs. Grizzly talk. Yeah, Honda. So it's basically the on the stop loss type. On the new edition, you have top of zone. So if we're looking for, say, we're looking for a reject in supply, once you get the confirmation candle, the stop loss will be at the top of the zone. You select um, confirmation candle, it'll be at the top of your candle that confirms the shorts. Make sense? Hopefully you've seen that there, Python. Seen that there. Oh, appreciate that, Honda. I'm glad you like it, man. Kind of thought we may push up and sell back off at some point because of the volume dying down. You all seen it there, kind of down to nothing nearly. All right, pushing back down now, like we thought would happen because of the low volume. Let's see what happens now. Not yet. Not much volume on the candle yet, but it has time. Yeah, I'm still watching Asia Low. Same game plan. We may see some chop. It could just keep ranging in between point of control and previous point of control, like it's doing right now. We'll see. Volume candle trying to make a, well, it's got some increase in volume here. Like if I was something that would make me not take a bounce. I mean, if we see a huge increase in selling volume at our bounce area, that would make me not. But if you've seen like a long wick to the downside with a red body, you better check delta because the candle can lie, the delta can't. I mean, this is, in my opinion, a good sign. At least volume's making sense to me today to start. No trade confirmation yet. But. All right, there's 15-minute range low. I mean, it's going to be about nearly impossible for me to even take a short on this candle because we'd have 50 plus points of risk. Not something I like to put on when day trading. Do you all have like a max risk as far as point goes with NQ? I know we said like 40 points before, right? 35, 40 points would be the max. I mean, we could always lower our position size, but still, 50-point loss on a funded account hurts any way you look at it. All right. Now we're trying to confirm the orb to the downside. That's a breakout candle. We change that, right? Yeah, Kayla. You just go to your alerts and choose Grizzology and pick which one. For the Grizzology update, everyone, I dropped a new user guide for the update part alone. So all the updates, I have a complete user guide in the Grizzology community. Just read it. It's about a 5-minute, 10-minute read. I mean, that's probably how long it would take you to understand everything very fast. Well, this is the type of candle I'm looking for a bounce, everyone. For a long entry, but yeah. Gotta let it close. It could fall apart. It got like 55 seconds. That previous one has some strong negative delta. Good volume on this candle, but not very strong delta, everyone. All right. Three. I mean, we could try long. We'd have to lower position size because our stock would have to be way down there. Yeah, we need to put more of a pullback if we're gonna try longs. Okay. I do want a long entry at this point, though. That's what I'm looking for. How do I use delta? I help it determine if I take a trade. I use it for confirmation, and it helps us not take bad trades a lot of time. Pushed up to that previous day high again, rejecting. I think like 290 to 280 would be a good entry for the longs as far as risk reward goes. But you don't always get a pullback on this type of candle, and sometimes it just has too much of a point risk. Everyone can see my screen and hear me still, right? In case we actually get a trade this week. Starting getting some strength again here. Might be able to get a new all-time high on this next push. No, relentless. I'm not in the trade. I'll let you know though. I'm watching. Still want long entry. I want a long entry. If we just get back to the 290s, I would probably try some longs. Just move my stop up a little bit higher than the low a day. Keep it a little closer to that pre-market low area. What do I think of a short at pre-market high? I'm really not interested in shorts. I just every time I tried them recently, it's just not been the move. So only looking for long entries until we form the hourly downtrend or something like that. Then I'll look for shorts. The only way I would try shorts at this point in this market would be it'd have to be uh, like a supply hourly supply, strong confirmation. Trust me, I want to catch some trades as well, just as bad as you all do. Just can't make them up, you know. 15-minute chart looking wild. I'm gonna tell Jada the market left when he did. He went on vacation and Q just quit giving entries for us. Yeah, it is wild. Looks wild. You on Zoom? What? Looks like you're having a good morning trading. He may not be. I think he's working too. Yes, he did. Jeff picked the perfect week. Good morning, everyone just joining. Personal opinion on Bitcoin. I mean, I'd say you couldn't go wrong buying some next bear market. That's my thoughts. I don't own a ton or anything like that, so well, I guess the proper it would be called a crypto winner. ES was the move again. Every time I trade it, it's not the move. I think I'm just gonna stick with NQ for a while. Still inside this 15-minute range. What's Nvidia at? I haven't taken a look. Nvidia just hit 220. I guess I should have started that swing at 202, right? Or 204, whatever the area was I was watching. It's been tough for swinging. Anything other than this calls. Yo, you swinging some NVIDIA shares since 197? Nice. I hope Trump's not speaking. He said he is speaking. Let me see. I don't see anything. Oh, speaking with Fox or CBS. Oh, the healthcare event. Yeah, that's right, Pat. Thanks. I mean, is he actually going to take it off, or is he just saying that he was going to take the gasoline tax off? Oh, this market's going for that 30,000, no doubt. I'm just trying to get us an entry. I would be surprised if we don't touch 30,000, even if that's as far as we go in the bull market this time. Yeah, I would be shocked if we didn't get up there. You own a trucking company and the diesel prices are hurting you? I can imagine. My everyday driver, my daily driver is a diesel, and it's 150 every time I go to the pump. 150 something, then some. Nope, still no trades for me. Have you all caught any trades? I just haven't seen a legit setup. The only one I seen was this. The only legit setup was this candle here. And I just couldn't take loans at 314 instead of stop at 247. You know, I was looking for a pullback to the 90s. We just didn't get there. 90s or 80s. What truck do I drive? You better ram. You're right. I drive a 2500 Cummins Laramie. I mean the two bar is not my strategy though. That's Jadon's. We trade similar, but he looks for a little more, a little different detail in that than I do. Is it deleted? No, I haven't deleted it because where I bought my truck at, it's the only place in the area that gives you lifetime bumper to bumper warranty on it. So if I delete it, that goes with it. That's right, Diesel Clark. So if you're taking this two-bar setup, right, would this be your entry here? Where would you enter? For those that trade the two-bar. Wait a second. Is this? I mean, um, I'm not for sure if this part of Jadon's rule or not. Does it have to be outside of the range for Jadon to take it? His two-bar, the way he uses it? Yeah, preferably. I mean, that makes sense to me. And especially right above, we got point of control right above us. Jesus, Tatum. Yeah, that's wild. Yeah, I think you is playing some games right now. It's just it's just chopping inside the range. We gotta once we get the high volume candle we're looking for, we'll look for another entry. We'll look for an entry. Um, just hope it doesn't do like the previous and have too much risk. Nope, not yet. No, I'm not looking for shorts at all. I'm gonna trade for a little bit longer, but I'm still gonna do the giveaway at the end of this live. So everyone stick around. If you like funded accounts, trade with Apex. Make sure you're around at the end of this live. Yeah, that's right. Do you like money? Both, Andrew. Both. I'm gonna give away on both sides. TikTok and YouTube giveaway. So make sure you hit the follow. Go live every morning. And remember, if you want to get funded, and I'm gonna give away some accounts, but if you want to get funded, quit risking your own capital, or maybe you just don't have the money. You can trade through prop firms, companies that um, hold on one second. Companies that basically fund you. You start off with sim funding money, and once they see you reach some payouts or whatever, they'll move you to a live account. But anyways, if you want to try them out, go to grizzlytrades.com. Look at Tradeify. Tradeify has an option where you can skip the evals. If you hate passing evals, check that out. And you have an Apex and take profit. Just use code Grizzly. One, I'm looking for a long entry. Prop firm. Remember, everyone, if you want me to do the take profit giveaway, you have to. I need to make some more sales. They don't give me the free accounts until I hit a certain amount of sales for them. But um, I should have like 350K accounts and a couple of 50K accounts to give away once we get there. And I'm trying to get us some more Tradeify evals for this week as well. Oh, it's your birthday? Happy birthday, Top Choice. You have a good birthday, man. I don't really have an exact spot I'm looking for one. I'm just looking for volume right now. Then we'll go from there. A little flag here. I just simply follow the plan, Amy, on the trades. Just follow my game plan. We plan our trade, then trade our plan. After a first, trim wheel move stop to entry, then just let it go to our second price target, or it hits our entry and we're done. We broke out of this trend. Let's see if this is if we get above the 15-minute range here. Let's see. Kingdom Wealth. I'm still trying someone, so give me just another week on them, and I'll give you an answer. Okay. I just want to make sure that I don't want to give someone a company that copies accounts if they're giving me issues. I had that problem before, so this one's good so far. Is it cool with you if I give some accounts away real quick while we're waiting on a trade? Apex accounts. All right. Pleeatl. Pleeatl. You can have one on YouTube. I'm gonna give it another way on YouTube. Then I'm switch over to TikTok. Swanner. SWUN something. Swanner. You can have one. You have to message me on IG though. You can find my IG link, grizzlytrades.com. Mark Galaxy. You can have one. Jordan O. You can have one. All right. Sarah, you can have one as well. You have to DM me on Instagram. I'm going to give one more away on YouTube. All right. Let's see who wants one here. Cole Childers. Sorry. I just moving so quick, I just picked someone as it was going up through there. All right. Gave away right at, what, 6 accounts? So just DM me. I'll send it over at some point today. I'm still watching. I'd like to catch trades still. I just wanted to get that out of the way so I didn't forget. Out of all the live, that's funny. Someone got mad on TikTok, said the giveaways were rigged. I just simply pick someone as I see you comment, you know. It's the only way I know how to do it live. Yeah, just angry. It's alright. He might have been having a rough morning. Nope, I'm not shorting. Slip. You all take any shorts? That's on you all. I'm not taking any. Trying my best to get us a trade team, bull. Just can't do, you know, can't make one happen. I haven't backed. I'd like to check it out though. I don't know. We have quite a few elk in my area back. Oh, they released them. I remember when they released them. don't really care much for the elk being in my area. They brought a lot of disease in, and they brought them in for the whitetails and stuff. Just getting some nice high volume candle here. It's close above the Asia high. Give us something. Team Bull, what do you all think? You still looking for something here? Waiting till we get out of this range? Yeah, I've heard that one, Daniel. Yeah, it could be, Sarah. Make sure you DM me for the account. I don't know if you heard me, but I picked you for one of them. Mark is another. I'm trying to. Who was the other one I picked? I got 5 people I picked for the giveaway. I can't remember the sixth. You know what? I don't think it was you. Artful. Yeah, I know. I got you. I don't think so, Madman. I'm not sure. Oh, I'm still watching here. We've just been stuck inside the 15-minute range. Massive 15-minute range, but nice. You caught 50 points. Nice. Glad you made some money. Nice, Kurt. I just seen that you took that. I didn't see your message earlier. My bad, man. Oh. This market is just. Maybe tomorrow we'll have some volume come in. Or the next day. Yeah. Or the next day. Or the next. Appreciate the follow, Megan. CPI tomorrow. I'm gonna see what happens here. Still not much volume here. Do we finally get above the point of control? Close right at it. Yeah, that wants a new high day at this point, surely. Yeah. Here, my computer. Well, this candle still low volume, but it's got time. What are we thinking here, everyone? Do we call it, or do you think there's still a trade to be made today? I do not like days where I don't like trying to catch trades when we hit pre-market low, then climb up back up to pre-market high on low volume. Have a good day at work, Raw. Appreciate you hanging out, man. I hate to be so boring and not give you all trades, but they've just not been here lately, everyone. I feel like I should apologize, but it's not my fault. I just once it gets 11:30, I just don't have much luck trading after. I know some of the moves have been happening a little later, but I've seen better setups recently in pre-market as opposed to later sessions. So I know this candle's starting to look tempting for shorts, but I don't believe I would risk it, everyone. Don't think I would. I still like. Yep, I'm gonna call it, everyone. There's no point in risking our money today. We'll come back another day tomorrow. We'll be back in the morning, same time, but see if we can catch a legit setup. And yeah, appreciate you all for hanging out. All right, everyone. I'll catch you all later, okay? I'll get them accounts sent up today at some point. I got to take care of some stuff this morning, but as soon as I'm done with that, I'll get the free accounts I gave you all sent.